found a way to model anything easy, with no experience. After watching this video, you can create more than 100 game-ready 3D models easy and fast. Wanna see how? Let's get started. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm going to use AI-generated 3D model from your photo. That's it, have fun. No, we just began. After creating your 3D model, you will end up with this. I think no one should ever pay for this model because it's AI generated. So what should we do to fix it? Let's check our model. If we ignore bad shapes, it's too much vertices. So what's the solution? This part calls retopology, mostly used to create low poly models from high poly models. For example, after sculpting with huge details, artists use retopology to optimize it. You can simply use voxel remesh to remesh your object with desired vertices. But the problem is, this may give you some more worse results. Our second chance is using quad remesher add-on. That's gonna work for you better if you wanna pay, but my choice is number 3. And what's the number 3? Number 3 is so much smarter. That means you have to do it by yourself. Easy. So create a cube, enable a snap tool, apply mirror modifier. You should do it for every part, one by one, to get cleaner results. That's it, let's cook. Sometimes you may need to use Boolean modifier to add details. Of course, there are some add-ons for topology, but I prefer this. You can check it by yourself to do it. As you see, I just have to separate each part and try to recreate it from a cube. That's gonna be super easy for you instead of frustrating way to model. If you wanna add details to your object, simply create a text, choose your font, add some extrude, then apply Boolean modifier to your gun body. Before anything, you have to unwrap your objects. This can be easy way or really frustrating. So what you're going to do? Simply this. That's it. There are many ways to unwrap in Blender, but in this video, we don't want to take your time too much for this. Guys, this is actually our first video, and if you want to see full unwrap tutorials from me, simply like this video and comment unwrap, so I will create that video for you. You can do something to add details too easy. Duplicate your objects and create a new image after adding multi-resolution modifier. Go to the sculpt mode and simply add detail like me. Now let's create a normal map from it. Change render engine to cycles, then hit bake button. Now we got normal map. I personally believe materials are too important as a lighting. So most of the artists create their own materials same as us. Don't take it too hard. Your job is making hard things simple. Let's create a simple one and add details to it. First of all, it's color. Set the color for the first time. We can change it later. The second one is bump and normal map. You can also use a noise texture to simulate a bumpy model and add more details. You think we are done? No, we can do more. Nothing in real life is 100% clean. So let's add some dirt by using noise texture again. Here you can add 2 colors. And lastly, let's add ambient occlusion to add more shadow. Here is the difference. You can do it for every part as much as you want. That's how simple it is. After setting up a simple scene and some lights, this is what we got. Just take a look at our render to see how much changes we made. It's less vertices and more high quality model. That's actually the model. You can sell it online or simply use it for game or anything else. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Let me know in the comments what our next tutorial should be.